get super excited for everything, Yuvi. What, are you going to perform something for us now? Dance.
Yeah.
Shit. No, don't do that. Wear your mask. Wear your mask. Good. Are you going to take that magnet with you wherever you go?
Yes.
I'll see for how many days. Where are you going, Yuvi?
In Vijaka's home.
Vijaka. She's Vijaka for you. Where are we going?
Magnetic balls, my favorite magnetic ball.
Do you want to show everyone how it works?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it later.
Yes.
Hi everybody! You came with me only. Hi Nanda! What Nanda? Nanda is frozen or what? Frozen Nanda. Hi Niksha! Okay, so let's ask how are you all liking my vlogs? Are you all watching it?
Yes, I
Guys, are you all watching it?
Yes, we are.
So how do you like it?
I love it. I like your energy in it. I like the efforts you put in it.
Thanks, Niksha. I usually don't get to hear this from you. I'm so glad I've started this. So Avi, how do you like it?
I like it. Yeah.
Okay, Vijaka, what's special today? Chicken curry. Kori roti. Tasty, tasty. Wow, Doda, amazing. Good work. So Doda made this at home. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
I can do gododi.
Doda's special gododi. We're back home after all the fun things we had. We had a lot of fun today actually because last week, no, not last week, last week I think we visit. Actually, every weekend we visit there, so we have some family time together. But last week we couldn't go, probably even before that. So it's been really long that we haven't met everybody. तो आज बहुत मज़ा आया. सब लोग तो नहीं थे, लेकिन जितने लोग थे बहुत सब साथ में enjoy किया हम लोगों ने. तो we try that we make it often, like हर वीक ऐसा मिले, ऐसा सोचते हैं. लेकिन नाउडेज स्कूल के वजह से या फिर कुछ ना कुछ कमिटमेंट के वजह से कुछ ना कुछ तो होता है दैट वी मिस ऑन दिस. बट व्हेन वी मेक इट बहुत मज़ा आता है साथ में. ओके, सो लेट्स सी ऑल टुमारो. So Yuvi is all set to celebrate Bakri today, Yuvi.
Yes.
Yes. Show how you look. Show how you look. Turn properly. Oh, very handsome. So this is the situation now in Mumbai. I told you all it was raining really heavy yesterday and even today So this is what has happened now because of the heavy rains. This is the result of all the plastics and all that we throw. Anyways, I just hope it gets better soon. Also, if you have noticed, many of them suggested that I need to buy a new mic for my vlogs. I have it here. I'll review it tomorrow. Um, Not review, kind of, because I just bought it yesterday. I can't review it, so early. But I will show you what brand mic I bought and all that for tomorrow's vlog. For now, okay, one more important thing I would like to tell, that I have changed the name of my channel because most of them told me that when they type Kudla to Mumbai, they get videos of trains and buses traveling from one place to another. So I just don't want that to happen. I just want, when you all search for it, you'll get it. Yeah, I'm not that famous now, to get it right away, but hopefully someday. But this shouldn't be the situation where you type something and you get something else. It shouldn't be too hard to find me also. So that's why I changed the channel. Also, like when we started the channel, it was like all of a sudden, okay. So we had to think a name right away because I have started vlogging and we wanted to upload it right away, and so whatever came in our mind, we just uploaded the name for that. So I hope this is the final name for my channel. So yeah, that's it. um, Also, subscribe malpare, share malpare, like malpare, comment malpare mara porchi. Okay, as I told you, content in Tulu will come soon. Choor patience malpare, choor, just choor. So I'll get that soon. Don't worry. I'm just waiting to make a mark, kind of. मतलब once मैं एक बार proper थोड़ा viewers बना लूँ, let me get into it properly. Like, I've just started it and right away I can't, you know. Yeah, I know. I am a Mangalorean and I have to make videos in Tulu, and Tulu. If I have to make vlogs in Tulu, it would be the most comfortable thing I would prefer, actually, because Tulu is mother tongue and very comfortable to talk to people in Tulu. But as I told you, we have many more viewers who don't know Tulu, so I can't make a major part of it in Tulu. So it will be a mix, and as promised, a content will come up in Tulu soon. So yeah, please try to share the my channel with as many people as possible if you like it. If you like it, please try to share it as much as possible. And yeah, students, please show some love, please. Okay, so see you all in the next vlog. Bye bye.